So John, I'm kind of glad you didn't stay out all night because I didn't want to like peel your frozen body out of that hammock. It would have been no fun. If you would do a temperature check. In here, it's pretty cold. Out here, pretty much equally cold. Fire's not doing well. When the only thing between you and the cold is like single pane windows and uninsulated thin panel wood walls, who would have thought that a little fire isn't enough to heat the whole place? Oh, dude, your tent had heat better than this place does.
To be perfectly fair though, I like absolutely roasted that. I had the fire cooking.
Anyway, what do we do first, dude? Go and take pictures? Because the sun's gonna come up. Those boys are gonna be sad if we miss them.
I'm gonna try to get my drone ready.
I put my sleeping bag in the bed and the duvet cover over top. And it was probably 110 degrees. Oh, it's snowing. It's so blue. Well, it is snowing. We're getting quite a bit of fresh fire. And it is definitely colder. Though the sun hasn't come out, so we'll see. But anyway, I'm gonna get inside. I think we should make some breakfast and get on with our day.
Well, I didn't make it all the way through the night in the hammock, but that's okay. Mainly because my back wasn't doing so well. It's okay though, next time.
Good morning, adventure boys.
Morning.
John, you having a little drone trouble this morning?
Yeah, this sucks.
And this is just putting the propellers on.
Pisses me.
How's it been so far getting it in the air?
I'm so pissed off, dude. Generally speaking.
I think John might kill somebody by the end of the day. Either himself or somebody else. Morning, Ethan. How was your pee?
I'm good.
It's a chilly one today. We got some new snow coming down.
It's brisk.
It is snowing. Something fierce out there.
A bottle of brisk outside.
We're making some eggs, making some bacon, and
I'd be surprised if your lens is
steaming out the windows. It's not steamed up. That's right. You can see your breath just as clearly inside as you can outside. Except not for Josh, because he's got his whole jihadist head wrapped up. Also, you'll notice the snow on the floor is not melting.
Levi, how was breakfast?
Good.
You swell on? Alright, looking forward to the day of adventure to come.
I think the snow has stopped,
Really?
pretty much. Yeah.
How you feeling today, man?
I'm feeling good, brother. We're gonna go shoot some bows. We're gonna go burn the shit out of our hands because it's cold as outside. It's gonna be good. We just made some pancakes. So I'm feeling it.
Ben?
Yeah, from kick to back. Oh!
She's my favorite. I use a lot of nice bows, but hers is good. Alright, boys. I bet.
This arrow is so
Hold on. Start raising the bow, Ethan.
See,
It looks like a meme.
partial-ish. I'm right. I did like full length of the arrow, so I guess I'll reap what I sow.
Ooh, that's an impact.
That was more dangerous for me than it was for you.
Wait, really?
Knock came right back at me.
That was like right on the spot. I think my back popped a bit. Woo!
Yeah. See, but it's not the fucking.
Yeah.
But still definitely hit like a little truck though.
So for this little video that I want to film while we're up here, this lighter has to be broken, but it's not. We gotta break it. Do it over here. Alright, this could be a terrible idea. Explode, really? It's super slippery because everything that melted yesterday that's sufficiently broken. Start shooting.
If you stand up, it's not gonna work.
We'll use that whole shot. Alright. Do a shot facing up that way. And I'll walk by.
Well, hold on. What are you doing?
So start going.
Start there, and don't move till I say go. Like walk right into that spot.
So I'll walk right to here.
Yep.
Okay, ready?
Go. Sort of missed the mark. Let's try it one more time. Go for it!
Once we go, you guys can just move around.
Cool.
Let's start.
Let me get a close up of whatever you're doing.
So it won't actually work on this shirt. They don't have to know that.
Yeah, that's fine.
Oh wait, it's second verse.
I'm doing it backwards.
And it goes like.
No, are you f***ing serious? That went out? Oh, this is tiny shavings. Tiny dry shavings, dude.
You were the fire. Just shoot me with the padded arrow, and then come and like I'll fall back, and then you come and sit by the fire. Okay.
Like in the same shot?
Yeah.
So just shoot him? When he's ready.
Alright, to go. Oh, we're into it. Try to. Or I'll turn. Yeah, I'll turn this way.
How's that feel, by the way?
Just do full draw. I want to go all the way.
All right, Josh,
Should I
about
brace
to
myself or relax?
up to you. Josh, just go and get nailed with a padded arrow.
Let me slap your ass, boy.
Oh, my ass! Why? My phone was in my pocket. It hurts so much. It hurt significantly more than last time.
That's okay. I was like
Ding.
3 steps closer, so
It's fair, it's fair.
Alright, well, just took a break from filming this video to film a video. Now, we're gonna shoot.
3 months to make it to Liverpool. Now, wind's on our side for the moment, but I suggest we don't waste any ounce of it. Who's with me? Aye! Aye.
I thought I heard the old man say, "Lever, Johnny, lever, it's a long hard pull to the next payday, and it's time for us to lever. Oh, lever, Johnny, lever, oh, lever, Johnny, lever, for the voyage is done and the winds don't blow, and it's time for us to lever. Oh, the winds were foul and the work was hard. Lever, Johnny, lever, from the Liverpool dock to the London yard, and it's time for us to lever. Oh, lever, Johnny, lever, oh, lever, Johnny, lever, for the voyage was done and the winds don't blow, and it's time for us to lever. Oh, the skipper was bad, but the mate was worse. Lever, Johnny, lever, he'd blow you down with a spike and a curse, and it's time for us to lever. Oh, lever, Johnny, lever, oh, lever, Johnny, lever, for the voyage is done and the winds don't blow, and it's time for us to lever. It was rotten meat and mouldy bread. Lever, Johnny, lever, you'd eat it all yet starve to death, and it's time for us to lever. Oh, lever, Johnny, lever, oh, lever, Johnny, lever, for the voyage is done and the winds don't blow, and it's time for us to lever. Well, it's time for us to say goodbye. Lever, Johnny, lever, for now those pumps are all pumped dry, and it's time for us to lever. Lever, Johnny, lever, oh, lever, Johnny, lever, for the voyage is done and the winds don't blow, and it's time for us to lever. Oh, lever, Johnny, lever, oh, lever, Johnny, lever, for the voyage is done and the winds don't blow, and it's time for us to lever. Woo! That's hot. Yeah. Good job, boys.
Hey, we're gonna die, hey. We're gonna die, hey. We're gonna die, hey. We're gonna die.
So now the plan is that we're gonna drive down to the lake and jump in it. And it's 18 degrees outside and windy and snowing. But at least I'm gonna do it. How about you guys?
Oh, we'll see. If he dies, I'm not gonna do it.
That's fair. That's a really fair choice to make.
Whoa. All right. Levi, what are you thinking?
I don't